Previously, all Kia EV models were equipped with the Combined Charging System 1, or CCS1 port for short. The first Kia to be offered with an NACS charging port will be the 2025 Kia EV6. Existing Kia owners who have the CCS1 port will find the NACS connector is a much different, more compact design that accommodates all three levels of charging: 120 volt, 240 volt, and DC fast charging. Kia models that come standard with NACS can use any NACS charging station. Simply plug in and start charging. With access to certain Tesla superchargers in the United States, charging your Kia EV becomes more convenient than ever.